Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Thursday, the 20th of October. All right, looking at yesterday's market, we had data released from Canada. We saw the CPI number coming at 0.1%. That was better than forecasted. The medium CPI at 4.7, slightly under, and the trimmed CPI at 5.2%, better than the forecasted. So overall, relatively good news for the currency, the Canadian dollar. Against the majors, not a whole lot of movement. Did hold its ground. We've particularly against the Aussie dollar, the US dollar, it did lose a little bit of ground against that. That was pretty much all that's happened yesterday. So let's move along and have a look at our chart of the day. This morning, while I was looking at my charts, nothing really popping out ready to go, but this is the closest thing that I found of most interest. It's our own local Aussie dollar against the US dollar. You can see from this particular chart that we are definitely in a downtrend. We are approaching that 60 level, okay, down here somewhere. Now the 60 level is psychologically a strong level. Any big round number, the 70, the 80, the 60, the 50, etc. Usually we can expect some kind of resistance there. It's just a psychological level. I do talk about that in one of my lessons. Go to csctraders.com.au, see if you can find it. But nevertheless, we are on a downtrend. What I'm looking for to try and take advantage of that downtrend is to see the market reverse a little bit, say somewhere into this region here. It's important that it's not higher than the previous high. Okay, if it's higher than that level, so for example, if the reversal happened up here somewhere, that could basically, as soon as we break this level, it could mean that the trend is broken and we may now start to do this and start to go in the other direction. So we're looking for the reversal to happen in this area, which is below that, and then if I do get a reversal pattern happening there, then I'm happy to take the trade in continuation down into the trend. Okay, so it's not quite ready there. Just add it to your hot list. The one I showed on Monday is still on my hot list. It's getting closer to that approach. I think that was an Aussie yen trade. Just go back and have a look at that. But that is our chart of the day this morning, the Aussie US dollar on a daily time scale. All right, what is on the agenda for the session which is about to kick off? Well, we actually have local data being released today at 11:30. It's the employment change and also the unemployment rate. That's at 11:30. So this data alone could push us towards those levels on that chart that I've shown you. The only other bit of data for the session happens at 11:30 from the US, and it's the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index number, which is due out. That pretty much wraps up for this morning. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. You can also follow me on Twitter, ChatFX, for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll speak to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.